Ever since the milk cooling water jelly tints have gained popularity, so many brands have tried to dupe it. And in today's video, we are gonna exactly see how some of these brands have tried to dupe it and also are available in India. Let's actually see the OG milk cooling water jelly tint in action to understand how the product is and all of that. It actually comes in a hot pink packaging with a twist up mechanism, and you've got the jiggly jelly tint, and this is in the shade Splash, a deep berry pink. This product is ideal to apply before makeup on bare skin as a natural rosy tint, and when the product goes on the skin, it also feels so cooling and relaxing, and it's ideal to use just your fingers to tap the product gently onto the cheeks. If you also want to apply it on top of makeup, then let me tell you how exactly it's supposed to be done. Do not directly swipe the product on top of your base, it will only disrupt your makeup. Instead, work your blush brush on the jelly tint first and then tap the color on your cheeks for a natural glowing rosy flush, and it looks absolutely gorgeous and fresh. The first dupe that I personally ever tried is this one from Amazon, which literally retails under rupees 300, and I'm really blown away how close of a dupe it is to the milk jelly tint. It's the same jiggly texture, gives off a beautiful tint and glow just like the milk one, and has the same cooling effect on the skin. And even the packaging is absolutely like the milk one. You can barely make out the difference only if you see the brand logo on the packaging. This next dupe is from an Indian brand called Praush, formerly known as Plume, and I love the peachy pink outer packaging, and I got this in a reddish peach color because I love a good warm tone blush on my skin tone, and this one has pretty good shade options. This one also is so jiggly and the same texture like the milk one. Perfect pigment and blends well on the skin, giving the same glowy finish and decently priced as well. This next dupe is from one of my favorite brands, Makeup Revolution, and it's called the Jelly Blush. And again, this is in a peachy shade. It's been my go-to. It's really watery, cooling, and smooth on the skin, has the same exact finish just like the OG Milk one, and very easy to apply and control the product. And I also love the warm peachy color against my complexion. The final dupe that I have is from Type Beauty. This is their Zit Quit Hydra Jelly Tint. This is the oily skin variant that I have, but it also comes in a dry skin version with the same shade options. And this shade is called Bubblegum, very similar to the shade Splash from Milk. And probably this is the only jelly blush that I found to be a little different from the other ones because, firstly, it's crazily pigmented and very hard to blend on the skin. Once you put it on the skin, it actually leaves a strong pink stripe and very hard to tone it down or smooth it down. And the finish is also pretty matte when compared to the others. So those were the dupes that I personally have tried of the milk cooling jelly water tints that are available in India. And honestly, most of them are such a close dupe that I feel like you don't have to break your bank account for these fancy jelly tints. The dupes are equally incredible and comes at a fraction of the cost and performs exactly the same. Hope you had an insight on all the potential dupes that I showed you in today's video, and all the links will be mentioned in the description box as usual. And I hope you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.